Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome to my channel. As you're watching this, I am currently traveling, so obviously I have filmed this ahead of time, but I am on my way to Maryland for my grandfather's memorial service. Thank you for all of your kind words and condolences. He was truly the most amazing man. My life is so much better because he was in it. But I just have a couple short videos over the next few days that I hope will just give you the tiniest bit of inspiration to do something. I never want to go too far or stay away too long from all of you wonderful people, even when I need just a little bit of a break. So please keep the discussion and comments going in the description box, or the comment space, and then also over on my Facebook group, Nevermore Creations, Junk Journals, and Friends. You can still reach me by emailing me or messaging me, but if I take a little longer than normal to reply, you'll know why. Anyway, so today I have a little project that I'm going to do. It's an organizing project, and I'll show you here. Okay, so I have this box. I had gotten it at a Goodwill. I get some of the best organizing stuff at Goodwill. You just have to kind of go in with an open mind and see what you find. It is kind of ugly, I guess, but it's super useful, and I do like it. I think it goes really well in a junk journaler's craft room. So it is quite messy, and this is where I keep like my bags, my guest checks, my library cards, and then a few like vintage types of envelopes and stuff. So I'm going to be organizing this and then making an Amazon list of things that I need to order to restock this. So if you're watching this and you need a project to do today that doesn't take too long, I suggest that you find your bin wherever you keep like your guest checks, library cards, like, you know, the vintage basics, and you organize it and figure out what you need and order it. I'm surprised it really doesn't cost that much to reorder from Amazon, and then I'll buy stuff in bulk so I can add some stuff to my shop as well. So, you know, nothing really for sale today, just an inspirational video. I'm gonna put you up here. I'm on my desk here, and we're just gonna get to town and just chat our way through it. So this was at one point organized. So the first little bin, trying to pull everything out of here, even see what I got anymore. I think this was supposed to be bags or pockets. Glassine bags. I really need to reorder glassine bags. I believe this is pretty much all I have. Look at how sad that is. I know I can still use them in my journals, but that is sad. So I guess these are just little, yeah, like little pouches, coin envelope type things, and little pouches. A lot of these things I'm not necessarily worried about restocking. Like some of these are just, you know, you get a couple here or there from a friend, a happy mail, something like that. But maybe also when you're going through it, you'll realize that you have so much you'll never use it all, and you could send some happy mail to somebody. That would always be fun. So I have a little list here. I'm going to make note that I need to order glassine bags. Now I'm actually going to order these items off of Amazon and put a post on my Facebook group, and I will give the exact Amazon links of everything that I purchased and their affiliate links. So if you click on them and you purchase items through Amazon, through that link, it helps me out just a little bit. And that would be great too, since, you know, while I'm traveling and all that, I'm not really able to make much for the shop. These have little, okay. I got those at like a bargain bins. Oh, these were inside of it. That's why. Which I cover. I don't even know. I guess they're just random envelopes and pouches. Oh, my CD envelopes. I'm not going to reorder these. I still have several, and I don't use them as often as I should. I will reorder them at some point, or if somebody sends me Happy Mail, which I think I got these in Happy Mail, I'll restock, but I am not terribly low. Oh, I got some time cards. I might want those in a different area. Different envelopes. What are these? More time cards? I think I'm good on time cards for now. Yes, I will probably have to order before too long. I'm going to hold off and see where I want to put those. These are envelopes. So I'm going to put envelopes behind the pouches in this front pocket. The other front pocket is my library card pocket. As you can see here, my pouches are getting all mixed up. I know I need more library cards. I have been deciding recently that in the majority of my, here we go, library cards. In the majority of my journals, I'm adding a library card to the back. So I've been going through them very quickly. Most of these I had gotten, if not all of them, I think I have gotten in from Happy Mail, but I am getting down there. So I do want to order library cards. So I'm going to write that down. I know what I use, and library cards I use a lot. I don't really care what color I get, so I will just be looking for a good deal. By the time you're watching this, the post will have already been, in fact, I'm going to pin the post to featured. That way you'll be able to find it, and I'll probably keep it up on featured for a couple weeks. That way you'll be able to find this. I have some library card pockets. For me, these are optional. I don't have to use them. They're really nice, but I really don't have to use them. So I'm not going to reorder those. In a perfect world, I would, but we live in a far from perfect world and we have budget concerns. These are little Rolodex tab thingies. They're cool. But I'm really just wanting to reorder library cards. So I'm just kind of restacking everything how I want it. I actually thought I had less library cards than I do, but as many journals as I make, I'll be through this in no time. And most of them are blue, and those only work in some of the journals I make. I really want to get like an ivory or a cream color. So they're going back in this front pocket here. I have not decided where these time cards are going yet, so they're going to stay there. Then there's a really long pocket, long and thin. I'm going to pull everything out of there. I think it's envelopes. So maybe I'll need to move some of my envelopes. Okay, these little seed things, I'm not, reordering those. Those were just Happy Mail. I'm going to move these envelopes. I think they need to go somewhere else. Okay, I can figure this out. We'll put envelopes back there. These are just random envelopes. Oh, I found a wallpaper pouch from Happy Mail. I'm not going to reorder envelopes. I do have envelopes in other places in my craft room, and I find them at Goodwill a lot. And of course, saving junk mail envelopes. So I'm not going to worry about that today. But guest checks, I do need to reorder. Some of you have sent me some recently, and you've really helped me out, and I haven't needed to, just about when I was going to order them, you sent me some. But I really do think that I need to restock, and I want to try to find one that looks a little bit different, so maybe it would be great in the shop. Who knows what I'll find, but I'm going to write down guest checks. Oh, no, I think I've got some of those. I was going to say coin envelopes, but somewhere I think I have them. So we'll deal. I won't do that right now. Another little pouch, just some random stuff. There's an envelope. It's fun to go through stuff sometimes and just sort. I don't know. Right now it's just calming my nerves. I've had a hard day today. Not that it's been a bad day, but I'm sure a lot of you can relate when you've lost a loved one, someone who really means a lot to you, like I have my grandfather. It kind of hits you in waves, and I've been putting off writing my speech because I'm going to be speaking at the meal that we're having at my aunt's house afterwards. And hold on, I think these are little pouch things. I think I'll put them back here. I need to actually write it out. That's kind of part of what we're doing. And I was writing it out, and I've been putting it off because it feels like the final goodbye. And it's hard. It's hard to find the right words, and it's hard to say goodbye. I'm not really bad with words when it comes to writing, but I don't know. So I just feel a little extra spent. I'm sure a lot of you relate. Obviously, I need more baggies. This is pathetic. I have to thank Joanne. She sends me these all the time, and I don't know what I would do without her because I have no bags. But you can see pathetic. I need flat bags. So there are some flat bags in the shop. So under supplies, so nevermorecreation17.com, free shipping. Joanne has some of these damask bags. Damask, I don't know. I have some leopard print bags. They look like this. I'm here near my inventory. They look like this. They're beautiful. And then I also have some popcorn bags, and they look like this. So if you're interested, we got those in the shop. Oops. And hopefully after I do this Amazon order, I'll have some more to put in the shop. But for right now, that's all I got. That's sad. Okay, so my guest checks I'm going to put with my library cards, I guess. Is that where I want them? For now, maybe when I get more, I won't be able to fit them. But this is how it's looking. I'm going to keep the envelopes here and the time cards here for now because I want to sort my last section. Another long, thin section. Who knows what's in here? Maybe I'll find more stuff that I needed and didn't realize. Huh, I didn't know I had any more coin rollers. Well, there's a whole bunch of them in here. I like these for tuck spots. Wow, I even found a dime and a sticker. Okay. Coin rolls. Oh, we have some recipe cards. Those are fun. Obviously, these are vintage. Like, I got these in Happy Mail, I think. But you can find them at Goodwill occasionally. A piece of cardstock. Okay, I got a doily. And then I have these coin rolls, which I'm going to stick in this front pocket here next to the library cards. So I see them and I use them. This is at my feet under the desk where I'm working. I forgot the technical name of this. Above par, she told me before what it's called technically, but it's the leftovers when you punch out sequins. And that's really cool. So I've got some of that. More earnings, gains. Oh, some more guest checks. They look a little worse for wear, but I will definitely use those. Still going to order some. Stuff those in there. These are little like tea bags, but I was actually using them to package paper clips in recently. Adhesive label holder. Okay, I'm just going to start putting these random things in the back. Some more little pouches. Some little Neato pouch bags. Vintage. Obviously not things I'm reordering. Kind of a one-time thing unless somebody else has them and sends them in Happy Mail. More envelopes, random pouches. This is a packaging pouch. So I'm going to put that with my packaging. Oh, I need to order these clear adhesive pockets. Jessica at, well, what is she called now? Paper Terrace. She used to be I'm a Cool Mom. Clear adhesive pockets, I guess. She loves these things, and she didn't send these to me. Someone else did, but I need to use those. Time reports. Ooh, jumbo playing cards. Fun. And then I have a whole bunch of these doilies. I think I need to get some colored doilies, if possible. If I can find them for a good price. I might not order everything. If something is really expensive right now, I will make do. But at least going to search for all those things I'm writing down. A little bookmark. That's random. These little tea bags. Put these in here. If I can, they're kind of delicate and hard to slip in anywhere, but we'll figure it out. All right, envelopes. I think we can fit those in here. I'll show you how it looks as soon as I'm done. Maybe I can put it into the camera's view. Maybe. Just moving everything around. It was such a mess. I wasn't even sure what I had. I'm just going to put these random things back here, I guess. All right, and this little random bookmark can go in there too. It looks much better. If you can remember what it looked like before, it looks much better. And now I know exactly what I need to order. So I'm going to go on Amazon and look for glassine bags, library cards, guest checks, flap bags, clear adhesive pockets, and colored doilies. Go over to my Facebook group, looked at the featured post, and see what I actually bought. Did I chicken out and not buy anything? If I chickened out and didn't buy anything, I will leave a post saying, I chickened out. Otherwise, I'll share the links with you, and maybe you'll find a good deal and something that you will enjoy as well. Thank you for spending this time with me, organizing, having a little bit of fun. I'm sure you all have one corner of your craft room. You can take 15 minutes, organize, and write a little list and see if there's things you need. Maybe you can't afford to restock everything right now. I totally understand. These prices are ridiculous, but having a list, maybe in your journal that you keep in your purse or near your computer, you'll be able to see when there's things on sale. So maybe you can spend $5 this month and you realize, oh, doilies are on sale, or you go to Goodwill and you find, some old library cards or something like that. Who knows, some old recipe cards or something like that. And you can just add little bits. Also, another good option, if you have a printer and you know that it's not going to cost you a lot of money to print, you can print out a lot of these things. You can print guest checks, you can print library cards. There's so many digitals out there, both in my shop and on Etsy, even a lot of freebies. So, you can even ask on my group. You can always ask and say, I'm looking for a digital of this. Does anybody have it? We're happy to help if we can, or point you in the right direction of a place to get it. So that's also an option too. But hope that maybe saves you a little money, a little bit of sanity. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.